Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this 20V cordless cross-line laser, the model PKLLP 3360A1. Parkside performance, bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Tool is compatible with all batteries in the X20V team series. High intensity green laser, 3 times 360 degrees. Accuracy more or less 0.2, working range up to 30 meters, leveling time 4 seconds, projection mode self-leveling, manual angle adjustment, with accessories, ready to connect, with a Parkside app, with a 5 years warranty. In comparison to the Parkside cross-line laser, non-performance model, this one has 300% larger workspace, 2 times higher accuracy and 4 times better laser line visibility. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, Parkside performance, black and red color. Included we have the manual and there's the tool. Here you can install the charger or the 8Ah professional battery. You can install it together with the tool at this position, or you can use another one 4Ah professional battery, or you can use the regular batteries. It is your choice. Everything conveniently place it at the box. Wow! I like it, that is a huge adapter. So how you can use this universal mount? We have the jaw clamp, the locking button, left and right, press and adjust. One adjustment here and another one here. The rotary knob here to adjust, up and down. I like it. It feels very robust, it is huge. Here at the base we have soft pads. If you want you can use a tripod. 2 different screw holes. You can remove that and use the magnets, 3 strong magnets, soft pads in here, and install that again. We have 2 retractable feet. Wow, that's so cool. They are opening together. And here you can install the laser. Again we have one huge screw hole and one small. The huge rotary knob. That is so cool. There it is. You can rotate that 360 degrees, no worries. Even if you install the 8Ah battery, you can rotate. This is the larger battery. And then you can adjust up and down. Small adjustments with this knob you can do after install this mount wherever you want. Wow, that is a strong clamp. Now at the tool. Here it is the horizontal 360 degrees laser line. The left vertical 360 degrees laser line. And the front vertical 360 degrees laser line. the leveling slide switch, the receiver mode button with LED light, and we have in the bottom to choose vertical or horizontal, the laser leveler LED indicator and the power LED indicator. It feels very robust unit. I like it. And of course, if you want, you can use it without the bracket. We have soft pads here at the laser, so you can place it at the table wherever you want. So let's plug in the battery, 8 ampere hours, huge battery. Press 3 seconds. Oh, wow. Okay, and I need the app, Parkside. There it is, connecting, finish. And there's the tool. Firmware update available for your battery. I can do a firmware update. Let's update the battery. And included at the box, we have a laser target plate with centimeter and inch scale for marking points beyond the laser line. With magnet, I like that. And after the firmware update, we are online. Unfortunately, I don't have a huge space, but believe me, it can cover the entire room. It is 30 square meters, my room. So here we can edit the name, laser switch, off, on. It is so convenient to control your laser from your smartphone. Laser line control, horizontal, 2 vertical, 1 vertical, all on, laser power, low, medium and high. And you can check the overcurrent count, total tool operation time, current temperature, lock the battery, set a pin, operation mode, performance, balance it, eco for the battery, this settings is for the battery, expert, and here you can adjust the discharge voltage and the discharge current. Performance, overheat notification you can enable, identify the battery, if you have more than one batteries it will help, current charge, discharging current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles. But the most important is that you can control your laser from your smartphone, and of course you can control and from the 2 buttons. With a leveling slide switch it can do automatic leveling, and of course you can switch on or off one by one these laser lines. And the brightness. From the unit you have only 2 options for the brightness. That's the Parkside cordless cross-line laser with its powerful 20V performance, precise self-leveling feature and cordless flexibility. This tool is a must-have for every DIY enthusiast and professional, whether it's for hanging frames, aligning tiles or construction projects. This cross-line laser makes every task faster and more precise. If this review helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tool reviews, DIY tips and home improvement guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay accurate, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.